Today we're going to explain support and resistance. Explain support and resistance. Hello traders, my name is David Stevenson. I am with Monster Trading Systems. We provide trading systems, training, coaching solutions to traders. So welcome guys, welcome. Let me share my screen here. All right, so we're going to explain support and resistance. And as new traders, as beginning traders, brand new traders, this is important. All right, support and resistance. And as you guys see here, support and resistance, the keys to your success. All right, the keys to your success. So support and resistance right here. All right, the keys to your success. When we trade, guys, we need an area to buy. We need to know where to enter the trade and when to exit the trade. All right. That's the biggest concern with traders, especially brand new traders. We don't know where to buy and then where to sell. So just remember this here. Resistance is made. Resistance here, think of resistance as your ceiling. All right. Support down here is your floor. So let's get some red here. That is your floor. All right. So where you are at home, that's your floor. Support. All right. And that price, support is holding the price up right here. All right. Now, resistance, again, up here. All right. And resistance, that's your ceiling, and it's holding the price down up here. So support holds the price up, resistance keeps the price down. All right. And what's happening, guys, this is where the big institutions building shares, right? Buying, whether it's stocks, options, ETF, it doesn't matter. But they're building what we call blocks of shares. Okay. And what they're doing is there's a battle between buyers and sellers, is what I like to call it, right? Between support and resistance. And what we're waiting for as traders, right? The majority of the time as traders, we are waiting. All right. And what are we waiting for? We are waiting for when the price breaks resistance. Now, resistance is made when the price makes a high to this resistance here. Let's say this is $100 here. All right. At resistance. And then let's say support is at $50 here, right? That should be $50 right here. So support $50, resistance $100. All right. And what the big institutions are doing, big hedge funds, is that they're building positions. They're buying all through here, right? They're buying, building their positions before they decide to take the price higher. All right. Sometimes they might take that price lower to get an even lower price. That's the way we want to think about it. All right. Now, if the price goes to $100 the first time, that's not resistance. That's just a high. We call that a high. All right. The buyers have to bring that price back up to that same area, $100 mark, at minimum twice. Minimum twice. The third time, then we've got even more support. Fourth time, we have resistance. We have even stronger resistance. So resistance, resistance, resistance. First time, just a high. Second time, now we've got resistance. Third time, even more resistance. And fourth time, even stronger resistance. Same thing for support. All right. If the price makes a low, that's just a low. All right. Second time, now we've got support. Third time down here, even stronger support. Fourth time, even stronger support. All right. As long as the price is trading between support and resistance, we hold. Now, there are times when we can trade, we call this when the price is range bound, right? We can trade between support and resistance, but ideally, we want to wait when the price breaks resistance to then buy. All right. So we would buy when the price breaks resistance because we know, right, that resistance could not hold anymore, did not hold. All right. And now the institutions are now have decided to move the price higher from 110, let's say, to now 120. All right. And hopefully continues to move higher, 150, 200, like that. All right. So that's when we would buy, only when the price breaks resistance. Now we would sell. So, for instance, if the price does this, right, goes up like this, comes back down, and then breaks support here, we would then exit the trade and close the trade right here on a break of support. All right. However, if resistance become, let's say we get resistance up here, support and resistance up here, all right, and then the price does something like this and breaks this support here. Let's bring in a red line here, this support here, then we would have bought here and then got out here. All right. So, as beginning traders, as new traders, support and resistance is very, very critical. All right. Very, very important. All right. So, hope you guys got some value in this video. If you found any value, go ahead and click on the next video, which is the fastest way to learn support and resistance. All right. Take care. Have a good day. Bye bye. Hope this